Neutral head to knee. Sit on the floor with your legs straight out in front of you. Bend your right knee and draw the heel back towards your perineum. Rest the sole of the right foot lightly above or below the knee joint. Flex your left foot, toes towards your face. Inhale, reach both arms up. Exhale, draw your abs in and fold torso over extended leg. Sternum faces the shin. Arms extended out alongside the straight leg to hold the foot, but not reaching. Shoulders glide back and down. The back of the neck is long. Hold the pose and take 5 full breaths. One. With every inhale, find more length in the spine. 2. With every exhale, draw your abs in deeper to fold. 3. 4. 5. Inhale, come up with a straight spine. Arms come up overhead. Exhale, bring arms down. Change sides.